2600 skills? Don't fail me now.
What's up, Ron? The H-A-O Coochie on the go. You know what I'm saying. That's how I roll. Poochie got mad skills.
Cartoon dogs, obey!
Here comes Lisa.
Time for a whack attack. Poochie in the house. Poochie see, Poochie do.
That's right, little girl.
You hoes on a farm. Don't get up with Pookie's business.
Who's a good mob? Who's a good mob? Where's my bitches? It's smashing time. Break it. I got the receipt.
Poochie is undone.
Sorry, Poochie, but even you aren't extreme enough to resist the power of a stay-at-home mom with too much time on her hands.
Yeah.
Word to your mother.
We did it! We cleaned up the game and therefore made it more fun.
This is gonna be the least violent third-person shooter ever.
Great work, ladies. We finally made this video game safe for children. I proclaim an end to video game violence.
Uh-oh.
Oh boy. Whoa, check out all the cool games!
They said I'd never control a game, Hub. Oh, you showed them, Freaky.
You're a credit to obsessive nerds everywhere.